hello everyone. This is the Professor Goaties Cheeses again, and we have a special guest here. We have Lucy Goosey Goat Cheese.
Hello.
And we have Frank from Transylvania, an exchange student. He don't speak much, but he like to bite a lot of, a lot of neck, Be careful.
Yeah.
What is your favorite food, Frank, from Transylvania?
Fried capatitas and goat cheese.
Faster, my boy, the goat cheese. I told you we gotta go for it. He like a fried capatillas and a goat cheese. Oh, that's a very good game.
Yeah.
A golf clap. Golf clap. Everybody golf clap. Okay, what we're going to do today, my sister is going to explain what Frank from Transylvania is going to do. Go ahead, take it away, Goosey Lucy.
Well, here we have the goat cheese chips. We have the gummy, some sort of creation. Is that what it is?
Oh, I don't know. I made it by accident. I'm sure it's very good.
Okay, well, yes, we have orange, pink, yellow, and I think...
No, that's not yellow. That's green. It's Ukraine, I mean.
Ukraine!
Not Ukraine. Don't eat that one.
No,
Okay.
stay away from the yellow. Okay, we have the worms. Dude, is that alive still?
No, he's sleeping.
No, sleeping.
He's just sleeping.
Exercising.
Okay, be careful with that one, okay, Frank?
Yeah, careful.
They bite,
Yeah. Well, that's what we have. And what is your favorite snack, Frank?
Fried capatitas and goat cheese.
Oh, I told you, he's a good boy, a goat cheese, fried cappuccino goat cheese. So what we have here is we have they're not exactly fried yet, and they're not exactly dead. It's short notice, We have the fried cappuccinos, and we have beautiful goat cheese snack.
Oh, yummy,
Goat cheese snack. Oh, we would eat them, but we're so full now. Okay, Frank, make a shelf for your sandwich. You're gonna show the whole world how good it is.
Yes.
There they go. There's the one. Oh, that's a live one.
Yes.
Oh, look, he squish him. He's not gonna move anymore.
Fresh from the backyard.
Oh, look at that. Oh, here we go. We got 2 fried cappuccino and 2 pieces of goat cheese. I'm so proud of this. Oh, got a little special pepper there, huh?
Yes.
Is that pepper from Pennsylvania?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay. Oh, it's red pepper.
So scrumptious.
Okay, go to it there. How is it? Is it okay? Hey, are you okay? Look, he fell. He's okay. He don't faint.
He slipped.
No.
He slipped.
Hey, call the lawyer. Call the lawyer. It's okay. He having a little trouble. He fainted. He fall down. It had nothing to do with the luscious delicious to go nothing to do. I want for the camera. Hurry up. This way we show the lawyer. It's okay. It's okay. It had no side effects, nothing. It's gonna be very